Want to convert iPhone video into slow motion? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily do it. Start by heading over to your application CapCut. If you do not have the application, simply move into App Store and then install it. Once installed, open the application CapCut. It will land you on this page. Click on New Project and choose any of the video that you want to make it slow motion. Once selected, it will be uploaded here. Now simply tap on the video right over here. At the bottom right, you can see the option of speed. Click on it. And then click on normal. In order for you to slow-mo the video, all you gotta do is move this range bar to the left of the screen. Set the scale or the range according to your need, and then click on the stick icon. If you play the video, you can see that the slow motion has been added to your video. Likewise, set the scale or the range according to your need, and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.